Welcome back to the channel, everyone, and today we've got another flashlight. So we'll take a look and see what you think. Alright, so it's called the LED outdoor flashlight. It's got like a reach of 3,000 meters, and look, when we dive down I'll tell you all about it. At the moment we'll go outside, we'll do a quick look at what it can do, and then after that we'll head down and take a closer look at it. Okay, so we're testing out the LED flashlight, which has got a throw of around 3,000 meters. There's the wide angle. Pull it down to the concentrated circle, and you can back it off a bit and you can get like a cross, which is pretty cool. And let's go through the modes. One less brighter, strobe, and off. Not too bad. Alright, there's also a side light as well that you could use, and if you click the torch twice, you turn it on, engage it, and then go through the modes. Click it once, click it again, click it again, and off. That's pretty cool. Alright, so what did you think? It's pretty good, isn't it? It's got quite a good reach on it. Okay, before we go down, here's a quick word from me. Just quickly, if you're enjoying the video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. It helps me out and it helps the channel grow. I really appreciate it. Alright, so there's the box that it comes in, and we'll just quickly open it up. Comes a little bubble wrap, USB-C type, and that's it. There's no manuals, no nothing. And here's the torch. Okay. So it is a nice torch. It's got the features on it that you might want. It's got a nice throw on the zoom. The actual window size here is 3 centimeters, so almost 1¼ inch, which is not too bad. And this side is 1½ centimeters. Alright, so what can I tell you about it? Right, first thing is it's beveled at the front for breaking glass. The back has got a magnet, and so you can stick it on your car or something if you want to do some work, or you're doing a barbecue, or it's actually it works pretty well if you want to do some work on the engine of your car, and you put it on the roof or on the inside part of your bonnet. It is quite strong. It's got your lanyard. It's a nice heavy duty one. And it's got one of these little adjustment clips as well. So they say it's 1 million looms, which I don't know about that, but it is quite strong, but I don't know about 1 million looms. It's 7 gears, but we'll get into that a bit later on. It's got about 4 to 8 hours of working power. So the throw on it is around about 3,000 meters. And recharging type C, which is really good, which is right here. And also it's got a USB for charging your phone, which is a bonus. Rubber seal here, which goes in quite well, so it is waterproof, but I wouldn't be throwing it in any pool or anything like that. The whole construction is aluminum alloy. It's an 18650 battery, but the beauty of it is, I'll show you in a minute. Now, they say it's 190 grams. Let's check that one out. Let's put the lanyard on it too. It's actually 212 grams. The length of it is 17½ centimeters, which is 7 inches. So again, the lights, you have your on, which is your strongest light, then your medium light, then your strobe, and then off. And again, to turn on the side light, like if you're in your campsite or in your tent and you just want to use a smaller light, it's 2 quick clicks and you have your on. I really like that idea actually. And 1 click for the medium, 1 click for the red strobe, and off. Here is your light indication for charging the battery of the device, which has got 4 little lights here. So they each go off. So when it's charging, so they they all turn on as it goes along. So you've got 4 strong lights on, that means it's fully charged. Now let's check the battery out. Now it's got an 18650 battery, but the good thing is it's got an adapter for your 18650. You could use a 21700, a much bigger battery, as opposed to the 18650. You see the size differences? So you can pop this one in without the sleeve, and there you've got a much bigger, better battery. I really like that idea. Oh, this will give you the idea about the lights. See, they're all solid. So that's basically it. Anyway, let's head back up and talk about it. The LED outdoor flashlight. Yeah, it's got quite a few features on it, and I don't know, it's up to you guys. As usual, the links will be in the description. Go check it out for yourselves and see what you think. Catch you on the next one, and thanks very much for staying this long.